Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
It's a good morning today mga kapuso. Kay isa na naman ka-actor ang aton makaupod sini nga aga. Kilalahon ta siya diri sa Biztalk. Mga kapuso, Alex Diaz. Good morning, Alex, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Hello, good morning, and also good morning sa ating mga kapuso in Western Visayas. I'm actually super excited to be here on GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Thank you for having me.
How are you doing, Alex? Kamusta ang gising mo today?
Good. I heard about our interviews kahapon pa, so magandang gising ko. Maganda yung feeling na I'm able to connect with mga kapuso everywhere in the Philippines.
Everybody would like to know, anong morning routine ni Alex?
Ay, morning routine. Kape. Kape sa umaga ang pinaka-favorite kong morning routine. And video games ng konti bago simula ng trabaho since work from home naman tayong lahat.
Aside from acting, Alex, you're also a good singer. So far, what is your favorite song? Pwede ba kaming magpa-sample?
How about this? Sunday morning rain is falling. Still some cover, share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. Twist to fit the mold that I'm in. That's it.
Ang ganda ng boses ni Alex. And syempre, we'd like to congratulate you for the success of My Fantastic Pag-ibig, My Fairytale Romance. How does it feel, Alex, na madami ang sumubaybay at sumuporta sa inyo dito?
Oh my gosh. Ang sarap ng feeling, and masarap yung feeling na maraming nakarelate na nakita ko sa comment section na hindi lang mga nakaka-relate kay Lantis, kundi mga mommies na nanonood din, nakikita din sa palabas na project na ginawa namin. Whether you're a girl or a boy, or or you're trans, or you're a girl that loves a girl or a boy that loves a boy, I think I always say this, basta wala kang tinatapakang tao, you have the right to love in that. So it's nice to see this kind of content that people will see and they will say like, oh, nakaka-relate ako. So finally, it's nice. It's nice to be a part of that.
How is it working with Yasser? Ang daming positive feedback about your good chemistry. What can you say about it?
Yeah, what you saw on our episodes, on our 2 episodes, kung ano nakita nyo, na chemistry, it's a reflection kung gaano kadaling makatrabaho si Yasu. That experience, I feel like, really helped with our chemistry. And yeah, now I can say that he's a really good friend of mine. And so I'm really thankful to him.
That's good to hear. And Alex, we will give you the opportunity to thank everyone na nanood at sumuporta sa My Fantastic Pag-ibig, My Fairytale Romance.
Maraming salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap sa akin. Ramdam na ramdam ko. First time kong magtatrabaho dito sa GMA na ganito kalaking proyekto. And para sa akin, purpose ko to help spread the message and to help diversify the content na pinapanood natin sa buong Pilipinas. And dahil sa mainit na pagtanggap niyo, the future for all kinds of love is bright. So maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Alex. Please invite everyone to support your shows and your upcoming projects, and also to follow you on all your social media accounts.
Thank you so much, mga kapuso. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa My Fantastic Pag-ibig, Fairytale Romance. And grabe guys, we hope you enjoyed it, and we're so thankful that you guys watched it. And please keep supporting. Malay nyo, nakapag-ulit ako sa GMA. And don't forget to support me on my social. That's Alexander Diaz on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. On TikTok, that's Alexander Diaz Manila. And on YouTube, it's also Alexander Diaz. Maraming salamat mga kapuso. I love you guys, and I'm so thankful for you.
Thank you, Alex. Really glad to see you. Keep safe always.
Thank you. Goodbye, everybody.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.